My dear children, today in this third module, we are going to study the important source of funds. First, we are going to study the term trade credit. Trade credit is a short-term credit given by the company. Trade credit is the credit extended by one trader to another for the purchase of goods and services. Trade credit facilitates the purchase of supplies without immediate payment. Such credit appears in the records of the buyer of the goods as sundry creditors or account payable. Trade credit is commonly used by the business organization as a source of short-term financing. It is granted to those customers who have responsible amount of finance standing and goodwill. The volume and the period of credit extended of the purchasing firm, financial position of the seller, volume of the purchase, past record of payment, and degree of competition in the market. The terms of trade credit may vary from one industry to another and from one person to another. The firm may also offer different credit terms to different customers. Trade credit is an important external source of working capital financing. It is a short-term credit extended by the supplier of the goods and services in the normal course of the business to a buyer in order to enhance the sales. The important working capital requirements of the company are: first one, payment of wages, payment of salary, payment of freight charges, carriage inwards, coal, gas, water expenses, payment of advertisement expenses, rent paid, commission paid, discount allowed, depreciation, refreshment charges, printing and stationery expenses, conveyance charges, refreshment charges, etc. These are the important direct and the indirect expense of the company. The working capital is required for meeting these expenses. Short-term credit or trade credit is a short-term credit extended by the supplier of the goods and services in the normal course of the business to a buyer in order to enhance the sales. Trade credit arises when a supplier of the goods and services allows the customers to pay or goods and services at a later date. In trade credit, cash is not paid immediately. Now we are going to study the important merits and demerits of trade credit. The important merits or advantages of trade credit are: first one, it is very easy and automatic source of short-term finance. It reduces the capital requirement of the company. It helps the business focus on core activities. The next one, it does not require any negotiation or formal agreement. The other merits of trade credit are: it does not create any charge on the assets of the firm while providing the funds. Another important advantage is, if the organization wants to increase its inventory level in order to meet the expected rise in the sales volume in the near future, it may use trade credit to finance the same. The next point is, trade credit needs to promote the sale of the organization. It may be readily available in case the credit worthiness of the customer is known to the seller. The trade credit is very convenient and continuous source of funds. The important demerits of trade credit are: trade credit as a source of funds has certain limitations. They are: availability of easy and flexible trade credit worthiness may induce a firm to indulge in overtrading, which may add to the risk of the firm. Another one is, only limited amount of funds can be generated through trade credit. The next one, it is generally a costly source of funds as compared to most of other sources of raising funds. These are the important demerits of trade credit. Thank you.